Hi foodies, welcome again to my channel. Today's recipe is an amazingly tasty and crispy snack with cabbage. This is a very interesting way to transform the humble cabbage into an extraordinary fritter. Let's see how it's done. Come on. I have chopped the cabbage very fine, which is very important. Let's season this and make it into something for the whole family to be interested in. Kanda lasun masala will actually make it burst into flavor. You can even add roasted sesame seeds instead. Sugar to balance the flavors. Just a pinch will do the trick. Mix this well and let the flavors blend. We will add the chickpea flour in batches, so there is no exact measurement. We have to make sure it binds the cabbage well. So keep mixing and adding the chickpea flour until you get a dough-like consistency. It should be a soft dough. At first it will look soggy, but it will come together eventually. This is still not yet ready. A bit more chickpea flour and we should be good. Grease a plate and we will spread the mixture onto it. Place a good amount of mixture as per the thickness you like. Make it even all over. We will transfer this to a steamer for cooking. I have already heated the water for steaming. This needs to steam for approximately 20 minutes or until the knife inserted comes out clean. Nice. Allow it to cool and then we will cut into desired shape. This is such an amazing dish that you can serve as an appetizer at parties too. Check out the description box for the detailed recipe and some more amazing recipe links just for you. If you like my recipes, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for such yummy recipes I post every week. Look how easily it comes out. Nice. I will cut these into triangles as my family likes it that way. Perfect. We will deep fry them until golden and crispy. Flame is medium high. Keep moving them for even frying. It doesn't take much time for them to be ready. These look so good and they disappear quickly, so make a bigger batch. Wow! Look at these perfectly golden and crispy and wonderful snack ready. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and thanks for watching. I'll see you next week with another recipe. Until then, bye.